If you want to add a gradient color to text in Photoshop, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to make your text look clean, modern, and eye-catching using Photoshop's layers styles. This is a great technique for thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, logo concepts, and any design where you want your text to stand out. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and quick design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, we need to type our text. Go over to the left toolbar and select the horizontal type tool, or just press T on your keyboard. Now click anywhere on your canvas and type the text you want to style. Once your text is on the screen, open the Properties panel or the Character panel and choose a thick, bold font. Fonts like Montserrat, Impact, or Arial Black work especially well because gradient colors show up much better on heavier lettering. If the font is too thin, the gradient effect can look weak or hard to see, so starting with bold text gives you a much stronger result. Now that the text is ready, we need to open the layer styles. Go to your layers panel on the right side of the screen and find your text layer. Here's an important detail. Do not double-click directly on the layer name because that will rename it. And don't double-click the little T icon either, because that will highlight the text itself. Instead, double-click the empty gray space right next to the text layer's name. This opens the Layers Style dialog box, which is where we can apply the gradient effect. Inside the Layer Style window, look at the list on the left-hand side and click directly on Gradient Overlay. Make sure the box next to it is checked, and also make sure the text itself is highlighted so the gradient settings load in the center panel. Once those options are visible, you can start customizing the effect. Set the blend mode to normal and make sure the opacity is at 100%. These settings give you a clean, fully visible gradient on the text without blending the effect with the background. Next, click on the gradient bar in the center panel. This opens the gradient editor where you can build the exact look you want. Photoshop gives you a lot of flexibility here. You can browse through the preset folders like pastels, blues, or metallics if you want a quick pre-made style. But if you want a custom look, you can create your own colors. At the bottom of the gradient preview bar, you'll see the color stops. Double-click the bottom left stop to choose your starting color, and double-click the bottom right stop to choose your ending color. You can use any colors you want, from simple two-tone gradients to bold rainbow combinations. If you want a more advanced look, you can click anywhere along the bottom of the gradient bar to add extra color stops. This is a great way to make a multicolor gradient with smoother transitions and more personality. For example, you could blend blue into purple, purple into pink, and pink into orange for a vibrant, modern style. Once you're happy with the colors, click OK to close the gradient editor. Now we're back in the main layer style panel, and this is where we fine-tune the direction and softness of the gradient. Set the style to linear for a clean edge-to-edge transition. Then adjust the angle. If you set it to 90 degrees, the gradient flows vertically from bottom to top. If you set it to 0 degrees, it flows horizontally from left to right. You can experiment with different angles until the text looks exactly the way you want. After that, use the scale slider to control how stretched or tight the gradient appears across the lettering. Lower values create a sharper transition between colors, while higher values spread the blend out more smoothly. This is useful if you want a more dramatic look or a softer, more polished design. Take a moment to preview it and make small adjustments until the text feels balanced and easy to read. Once everything looks good, click OK to apply the effect. And just like that, you've added a gradient color to text in Photoshop without needing any complicated tools or extra plugins. This is one of the easiest ways to give your text a professional, custom look in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop how-to guides, design tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.